How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can find the wallet address on Trust Wallet application. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So let's begin. So in order to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet application, first of all, you need to download the Trust Wallet application into your device. After that, you'll be logged in into your device and you'll be able to see this kind of interface where you'll be finding lots of tokens or cryptos. So you're just going to select one of the tokens. Here I'm just going to choose the Ethereum one. After selecting, you'll be able to find this kind of interface where you'll find send and receive. And here you'll be able to see all of your transactions, including sending and received, how much of the Ethereum you have sent or received. So you're just going to tap on send or receive and you should be able to find an address here, which is your wallet address. You may just send this QR code to other people or the wallet address from the below. Same goes for other tokens as well. You may just select and tap on receive and you should be able to find all of your wallet address for all of the tokens right there. So therefore, just follow that method and you should be able to find all of your wallet address for Trust Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.